Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play RimWorld Co-op. The only way to truly enjoy a shared RimWorld experience is by using the community-driven multiplayer mod. This fantastic tool allows you and your friends to build, survive, and thrive together on the same planet. It integrates seamlessly with Steam, often eliminating the need for complex network setup like port forwarding. Just make sure everyone has the same mods installed and in the correct order for a smooth experience. Getting the multiplayer mod up and running is quite straightforward. First, head over to the Steam Workshop and subscribe to the multiplayer mod. Once downloaded, launch RimWorld and adjust your mod load order. It's crucial to place the multiplayer mod after the game's core files, but before any other technical mods. You can also check mod compatibility directly within the game or on the mod's official spreadsheet to prevent any desynchronization issues. Ready to start your shared adventure? The host should first launch RimWorld and begin a new single-player colony. Once the game loads, navigate to the in-game menu and select the option to open your game to multiplayer. Your friends can then easily join by right-clicking your name in their Steam Friends list and choosing Join Game. Remember, the host needs to stay in the game for everyone else to continue playing, so plan your sessions accordingly. With the multiplayer mod, you can choose to manage entirely separate colonies on the same map or work together on one grand settlement. Effective communication is key to a successful co-op game, helping you avoid accidental conflicting orders and ensuring everyone is working towards common goals. The mod supports up to 8 players, allowing for truly epic and dynamic RimWorld stories to unfold together. Have fun building your shared future on the Rim.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.